In this tutorial, I will talk about the nested if fields and also when to use and the logic behind it. What does it mean, the nested if fields? If any if contain if within if, so it is pretty confusing. That means the if within if block or the if within the else block. That's called the nested if. If you talk about the nested function, what does it mean? Nested function means function within the function. Similarly, nested structure means a structure within a structure. Now, when to use? Let's understand through the example. If you have a multi-condition, something like more than two conditions, so use the nested if. Alternatively, you can also use switch statement as well as the if-else ladder. For example, I first assign something value to a and then check whether it is less than 8 or greater than 4 equals to and equals to, and also check whether it is less than 10, and finally we check whether it is greater than 2 or not. There is a 4 condition, 1 2 3 4. So if you have such type of conditions, so apply the nested if. Alternatively, you can also do with switch as well as if-else ladder. I will talk it about in another video. Let's go through the example. First of all, equals to 5, and then if a is less than or equals to 4, and check again if a is greater than, apply greater than, and second if a is less than and equals to 8, print something. So this command, it is within the range of 4 to 8. Now apply else statement. This again, if it is not less than 8, that means it's over 8, so it is over 8. Now terminate this if and apply else, and again if is, what will be the condition of less than 8? If it is greater than 4, it will execute something this. So that means the if a is something greater than or equals to 2, so display it is within the range of 2 to 4. Else this, it is less than 2. Now terminate the block in, and the finally you'll get the simple underscore. That means this is the end of this if. Now run this program. Now this is within the range of 4 to 8. Exactly, it is correct. Now apply something like 10 and test it. It is over. Oh, there is a mistake. UVR not over. OVER. OVR over. Okay, it's over 8. Now change the value with something 1. It is less than 2. Yeah, it's correct. This is the simple example of nested if fields. Now thank you for watching this video, and I will also perform same example by using a switch statement and also with ladder statement. So watch this video also, and if you have any comments, so leave in the comment section and subscribe for more video. Thank you.